Hi everyone, Shenell from Angelic Interior Designs is hosting her very first collaboration. Congratulations, Shenell! Shenell is an awesome designer that shares an array of home decor videos, which include floor designs, home decorating, DIYs, organizations, and so much more. The title of this collaboration is A to Z Home Decor Collab with Shenell. Shenell asked us to choose an alphabet from A to Z to represent a home decor item, and I have chosen the letter U, which represents upholstery. I will be demonstrating how I upholstered my dining room chairs. If this is something you may be interested in, please continue to watch. I shopped for fabric at Joann's Fabric and Hobby Lobby, and the prices were a little bit high, and I needed to do this on a budget for 6 chairs. So I decided to think outside the box and buy a pair of drapes from Tuesday Morning, and they were on clearance for $14.99. Now, Shenell asked us to stay within the 4-minute time frame, and I will be speeding up this video for the sake of time, and hopefully I won't go over too much. So please be patient, and thank you so very much. It has been my pleasure to participate in this collaboration hosted by Shenell. Thank you so very much, Shenell, for the invite. I really appreciate it, and I had a lot of fun. I will leave a link to Shenell's channel in the description box below. Please go over and visit and subscribe to her channel. You will not be disappointed. I would like to thank everyone for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and comment. Enjoy your week. God loves you and so do I. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.